Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 1 to 2 minutes so any stored charge bleeds off. Next, remove any trim or carpet covering the amp. You want clear access. Label each wire as you go, remote turn-on, power, and speaker leads, so reinstallation is painless. Once labeled, loosen the ground connection first, then the main power terminal. This reduces the chance of shorting. Make sure you keep fasteners organized for later. You now focus on freeing the amp. Unplug RCA cables and the remote turn-on lead, then carefully disconnect speaker wires. Note polarity. Once wiring is clear, support the amp with one hand and remove mounting bolts with the other to avoid dropping it onto panels or wiring. After the amp is out, inspect power and ground wires for fray or corrosion and clean the ground contact if needed. Make sure to coil and secure all loose cables so nothing rattles or shorts while you finish. You finish by removing the last connectors and lifting the amp clear. If you plan to reinstall or store it, cover exposed terminals with tape to prevent shorts and place it in a dry, padded box. Once everything is secured, reconnect the battery negative terminal and perform a test. Turn the head unit on and listen. If the system is dead or noisy, check the inline fuse, confirm the remote turn-on is 12V with the key on, and verify a clean ground. That troubleshooting tip usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.